Welcome to Skiller. Test your Azure Monitor skills with MCQs on metrics, logs, alerts, and insights. Question 1. What does Azure Monitor Metrics primarily provide? The correct answer is real-time numeric performance data. Where metrics in Azure Monitor provide real-time numeric data like CPU, memory, and disk usage. Question 2. Which data type is used in Azure Monitor to store structured, queryable logs? The correct answer is log analytics. As log analytics is the engine within Azure Monitor Logs that enables querying and analysis via Kusto Query Language, KQL. Question 3. Which tool allows you to visually query Azure Monitor Logs? The correct answer is Log Analytics Workspace. Use the Log Analytics Workspace to query logs across your Azure environment using KQL. Question 4. Which component of Azure Monitor is used to trigger actions based on conditions? The correct answer is alerts. Where alerts in Azure Monitor detect specific conditions and trigger automated actions like notifications or runbooks. Question 5. What is the function of an action group in Azure Monitor? The correct answer is group notification preferences and automation for alerts. Action groups define the recipients and actions taken when an alert is triggered. Question 6. What is Azure Monitor Insights used for? The correct answer is provide performance insights into VMs, storage, and networking. As Azure Monitor Insights offers targeted views and analysis for VMs, storage, and network performance. Question 7. Which tool is best for continuous network performance monitoring across regions? The correct answer is Connection Monitor, part of Network Watcher. Where Connection Monitor helps monitor network performance and detect connectivity issues across geographies and services. Question 8. What is the purpose of an alert processing rule? The correct answer is modify alert behavior before actions are taken. Alert processing rules modify alert handling by suppressing, delaying, or redirecting actions during certain conditions. Question 9. Where are diagnostic settings configured in Azure? The correct answer is on each resource under Monitoring Diagnostic Settings. Diagnostic settings are configured per resource, allowing log and metric export to Log Analytics, Storage, or Event Hub. Question 10. Which query language is used for analyzing data in Azure Monitor Logs? The correct answer is Kusto Query Language, KQL. KQL, Kusto Query Language, is the syntax used in Azure Monitor Log Analytics to run complex queries on logs. Like, subscribe, and share to keep learning with Skiller.